Hello my beautiful people, how are you? Look what I have here. I have some dandelion and some onion chives. This is totally different from the garlic chives. The garlic chives, the leaves are flat. This one is a little different, and if you know what green onion looks like, then you have an idea. But guys, don't be mistaken, because you have to break it, and when that aroma comes, it tells you whether or not it is garlic chives. And guys, how do you know that it is dandelion? For the person who knows dandelion, look at the shape of the dandelion. It tells you that it is. And look at the beautiful, guys, look at the beautiful flowers are bloom. Guys, here are some more chives right there. This one too. This one is very long. And I can go over here to them here. And it's chives everywhere in here. Everywhere in here. So guys, I'll be harvesting some chives soon, so I'll show you what I do. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.